So this is the recap for the month of May trading, and took a very big backslide in my overall trading, as we can pretty much see. I've had two blown accounts, lost cumulatively 5.98 million, and May 15 I lost 7.63 million. So I was up, and I lost a fair bit. So let's just have a look at what happened here. Let's So we've had two blown accounts. So this was the account I took from April to May. I had 2.76 million. Closing balance was negative. Net P&L 2.73 million. 58 trades. 63% win percentage. The max loss was there on 7.63. That was pretty much after taking a gain, which was undeserved. So decided that to do the right thing and end the account. So the account was reset there. The second account opening balance was a 1 million reset. Closing balance again, that was blown. The net P&L was minus a million. 58 trades with 51% accuracy. Largest loss was on the 29th of May, losing 5.73 million. So the issue I've had is sizing. I've had an issue in terms of just trading too many contracts, going all in on subpar setups, averaging in, and it's ultimately costing me. So pattern for both accounts built from 2.4 to 4.9 million, then lost everything in a single session due to extreme sizing, 20 to 48 times, no daily loss limit. That's some of the insights we've got there. So again, peak balance May 14th picked up 3.26 million with 76% win rate across 6 trades. Best day of the month, of course, the day after. So what I've noticed, there's a pattern where I've had a really bad day and I'll come in, I'll have a really good day. But this was the reverse. We had a very good day and came in the very next day and suffered some huge losses. We can see it's only 2 trades, which suggests that it is a sizing issue. 2 trades, 0% win rate. Silver 33 times. We lost 3.66 million there, and 20 times our normal size on NQ, lost minus 3.98 million. The cumulative peak on the May 14th was 4.9 million. Greedy account 177% before collapse. So it's 177% on the month before the collapse. Account 2, best day 1.46 million. Worst day was the 29th of May. Best day, we're looking at 100% win rate on 4 trades. System working perfectly. Again, sizing issue. May 29th, 6 trades, 0% win rate. 10x normal size on silver. 13x size on gold. So gold is definitely getting cut, and overall cumulative peak was on the 28th, which was the day before, up 3.66% in 8 days on the account. So the account was doing really well at this point, then lost it all in one session again. So this is a breakdown of it week by week. So we can see here week 1 picked up about 2.5 mil. Week 2 was near enough break even at 261k. This is where we started to suffer losses, lost 5.5 mil there, picked up 2.4 mil there, and then lost another 3.4 mil over there. So again, account 1, the account was blown, reset a new account, grew the account, then blew the account. We can see the instrument breakdown combined for May, over on NQ at 59% win rate, but we did lose due to the oversizing. The average win 282, the average loss 631. So that's very poor metrics right there with a negative expectancy. Despite the big losses over on silver, ended up positive on the month, 67% win rate. Looks like picked up 1.59. Average win 497, average loss 790. Poor metrics there as well. Expectancy 41. So very poor metrics over on gold. 50% win rate, lost overall. Again, average win to average loss is very poor. Traded some oil. and it didn't work very well at all. I looked at 20% win rate, which is incredibly poor for me. Losing over a million, average win bigger than the average loss, but the poor accuracy does not support, and had a couple of trades over on ES. Again, poor win rate, average win. So let's see, the average win smaller than the average loss by several multiples. You can see very large negative expectancy. Silver is the only profitable instrument. NQ, gold, oil, and ES all negative. Gold and oil were new additions and cost 2.59 million combined. So decided to trade gold and oil, and it was very costly. Whole time analysis, looking at that 1 hour to 2 hour range, we're looking at 78% win rate and an average of 2.92. 30 to 60-minute range, looking at 54% accuracy, 207 average. 5 to 15-minute negative there. Everything beyond 2 hours, we're negative over there as well. So that 5 to 15-minute, that's usually where the market just turns around and goes towards my stop. There's nothing I can do about that. So high trade count, 25 trades, but deeply negative. These are likely impatient entries. I don't think there were. Premature profit taking, possibly. Holding too long, 5 trades over 2 hours. And again, let's see, holding too long, 5 trades, all on the blown account sessions. These are let the loss run. So the trades over 2 hours were the ones that accounted for the biggest cumulative losses on the account. So probably something to pay attention to, those 2 hour trades. Blown accounts destroyed, extreme of single trade sizing. We can see NQ, we're trading 2,000 units, 2,000 contracts. Ended up with a huge loss right there. Silver, 2,000 contracts, huge loss right there, 3.6. 780 units on gold, huge loss, and silver 600 units, huge loss. So profitable trades also use large size. So in silver picked up 3.35. So similar to the P&L there. And another silver trade picked up 2 million, masking the risk until the losing sessions arrived. So that was what was crowding my judgment there. Took a fairly lopsided distribution of trades. So 81 trades long, 35 trades short. We're actually positive on short trades, 57% win rate, positive expectancy. Whereas on the long trades, we had a 60% win rate, but a negative expectancy. Overall, lost 5.42 million right there on the long trades. So again, looking for that continuation month to month of the market going up. But did make the adjustments there. Over on the short trades, on the other hand, the metrics aren't still not that great because we've got average loss being bigger than the average win, and over and long trades by a sizable margin. Both have similar win rates, but alongside catastrophic larger losses. Again, as been the case every single month, a hard daily stop of 300k enforced before trading. That's something I've not been doing. Let's see, maximum position size. That's something to think about because these accounts were lost due to taking too large a size. Stop trading rule. 2 consecutive losses in a session. Session's over. Again, that's something I can do. And restrict new instruments, NQ and silver only until edge is proven. And again, that's fairly doable. NQ and silver better off on those instruments. And define a good day conditions before trading. Replicate weeks 1 and 4. 75% win rate, 55% win rate. 5 to 15-minute holds, we want to avoid those and focus on that 30 to 120-minute holds. Sizing control 2 to 8 times. Silver and NQ only. Document these conditions and only trade when they are present. So I need to look back at those dates and see what was going on in the market to accumulate the P&L there. Two accounts, same mistake twice. Systems works for weeks, then losses and everything in one session. Account one reached 4.9 million, 177% return based on the starting balance on that month before May 15th. Account two reached 4.66, which is a 366% return before May 29th. So we're making these accumulated gains, but then not accepting losses has resulted in these huge blow ups, unfortunately. So it's definitely something I have to think about. And again, inside suggesting is the extreme sizing. That's the issue here. Without a size limit and daily stop, this is not random outcome, not skill. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Let's go back. Like two accounts reset in a month that cost 13 million in two single sessions. April 17th. You can see 1.9. One rule, daily loss limit prevents all five. They're still not implemented. Yeah, that is very true. So full May, 116 trades, two accounts, 17 trading days, all blown. And that's it. That pretty much covers all the trading from May. So definitely to fix the sizing issue, diversification of instruments, need to get rid of diversification, fix sizing, and fixed number of trades. I think those are the things that I would need to focus on in the month of July, because I'm doing this recap in the month of June. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.